Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be reviewing the room tour for Ibis North Point Hotel, where I stayed with one of my colleagues in Hong Kong. So let's get started. So this is the room. We have opted for a twin sharing room with separate beds, and there are not many things we can say about this room. It is quite small. I could also say very tiny. I think the smallest room I have stayed till now. So there are no bedside tables provided on either sides because there is no room for it. So we kept one chair in between the beds because they were moving a lot, and it helped us keep our phone and cup on this. The space was so tight that we were not able to open two suitcases at one time, so we were taking turns for that. Apart from that, you get an intercom and mugs and kettle, and there is also a TV which we didn't use, and some menu options to order food in room. And here is the cupboard. It's a very narrow and a small cupboard. There is a mini refrigerator which was empty. Here we got the kettle and cups were placed here. There is a drawer and there is a safe inside. So you can keep your belongings, your documents or wallets here when you're moving out. There is also a hairdryer which is provided with some hangers. Now let's have a look in the washroom. So washroom is also very small like the room. They have provided one sink. There is a mode, and here is a small shower panel which is covered with a curtain. Though the room size is very small, but compared to the hotel prices in Hong Kong, it was a pretty good deal because we got it for 4,500 per night, and you usually get a hostel in that. So now we have, in the morning we have come for the breakfast. It is served on the second floor, and let's check what do they have to offer in the breakfast options. There are some breads, some muffins, croissant, butter, jam, some chicken, scrambled eggs, pork and ham. So these are all the non-veg options. I'm more interested in vegetarian options which they have. These are baked beans. Pancakes are also vegetarian, so these were eggless. Then there are some boiled eggs along with it. So here we have some onion shallots. These are to accompany your salad. And there is a chicken congee. So they even put chicken in congee. There are usually less options for vegetarian, so I think we came a bit late today. So there are cut fruits here. Usually I think they're going to refill it, and some salad options where you have lettuce, cherry tomatoes, onion and boiled corns. These are the cornflakes. You have milk, some yogurt, and these are some limes for the water if you want to infuse your water with lime. Here are some juices. These are cold lemon juice. It was really tasty. And some more canned juice. We have tea and coffee options here. And if you like chocolate milk or anything, you can get it from the machine, and this is the coffee machine. So I've listed down some plus points and negative points regarding this rooms and hotel. Do let me know if you like it, and subscribe to our channel.